Yes, my people. And the great Canterbury, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. The great Canterbury, my people. See it, my people. Look.
Yes.
And the general can rescue you, know, my people. You see that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And my people, may I show on the side with the Portland. And I want to show on the next side with the St. Mary. Same way, my people. Check in, you know, see it there. Yes. St. Mary. But come on, Mary then gone there, some man. The rig gone. Full team outside. Respect, see it there? St. Mary. Blessed love. Wicked Vlogs. Oh, you mean? I think I want to see you can tie another one, yeah.
You see that?
Yeah. You see me? Yes, Canterbury. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man, the power bank in my bag there too. Hold on, so I left the phone around there, so a good thing I check. You see, excitement. I left the phone contact. Look how my general. No disrespect. The phone dropped about night before last night. I end up have to go get it changed at the phone screen. And before I left out where the man there, we charged me watching $1,000 to change the phone screen. No, yesterday, it broke again.
You get fire change, fire cord that broke in this now, that broke.
That me learn say, you know.
And first, that screen is the first put it on it.
Best screen, yeah man. Soft, yeah. So that is DJ's Wicked Vlog, my people. Great Canterbury. Yeah man. Great Canterbury, my people. Alright, no problem, my general. That is it. Stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. Yeah, Godfrey outside can link up Colaz TV and the team. You see me? Canter and the team. Oh, you mean? That is it. Oh, you mean? I may have picked jelly for you today, no Canter. That is it. Oh, you mean the great socks? Great socks and them and they're on the road, you know, my people. You hear about the great socks? Yeah, everyone there, people. See it? Oh, you mean? Fully active, you know? Oh, you mean?
Welcome to St. Mary.
That is it.
Yeah.
See it there? Respect. Yes, you know? See it there, my people. Stay tuned, check in, watch what I go on. See that, my peeps? Blessed. Poppy! No. I pop it out to the other people as he come here to shine camera upon him. You see me? Alright. That is it, you know? Yeah, man, respect. That is it, my people. That is it. Yo, stop look up in that coconut tree. You have to go climb one coconut tree up at there, you know? Yeah. Sure. Breadfruit, the one. Right now. Special place. Yeah, man. Respect. Blessed. Yeah, man. I'm not tell you, man. Yeah, luxury. Greenery, you know? Yeah. We're there in other place, you know? That is it, my peeps. Greatness. And we are look forward, you know?
So long no one see marble play people. How long no one see marble play people? How much years me not see marble play people? Them a play Wolsey and, you know, bust that.
Jaja boy and trade. Yes, you beat that. You see me? See it, my people, look at that. Yes.
Big lady, hide me.
Yeah, you have to set the altar up on the heart, my people. Greatness. Jeez, sorry about that. General. Charger. Down high bus. Alright, my genius. Watch it, Canterbury. General, may I tell you? Me all video all pause, I don't like pause, you know, but you me have. Yeah man, that one clip in and clip out, you know, my people. See that? Murphy, yes, we just have video here, my brother. You good? Officially Murphy. Oh, you mean? Murphy, I can't go shopping on my people. So stay tuned and check in. Oh, you mean? That's how it going on. We don't know where we're there. Yeah, so. Good. That is it. Yes, man.
Like, share, comment. Remember to subscribe, please. That is it.
Alright. That is it for sure. That is it. Oh, you mean? So the great Murphy, them people. The great. Hello. Great Murphy, my people. Oh, you mean? You see that? Yes. Yes. So, yes, my people. General. Blessed. Yeah, man, that is it. We come and shop, you know.
Yes.
Come look some little things. DJ Super Vlog there. Alright. Take off your camera for a lady. Maybe she don't want to go on camera. Subscribe. Go for your phone and come, my love. My God.
Yo,
Ingredients something there.
Yes. See how she nice, see my people. Yeah, treat we good, you know. Good. How you mean? That is it. DJ's Wicked Vlogs. Some love, enough love, and bless up and stay tuned. Glad for you. The take where you take here away. See the boss canter there. How you mean? How you mean? See the great man here, my people. See the great man there, my people. Jaja live. You see that? How you mean? Check in my people. Me there and my brother them area. Where up here, son, near Murphy, Dad? St. Mary side there, so. Good. Jaja live. We're across the border, you know. Look for now, my people. I say, I ask her if I can't come married to her. She said she married already. I say, hey, you must have a nice, loving husband. Kanta?
yeah.
When you look like she tell me lie. Hey, me kind of have a little genius ability about me, you know. You see me? Alright. So next time, you hear me, love? Blessed. Where's that wicked? We ready? Come in now, make way move when Murphy there ready then. Good. Alright, respect to that. Energy them done.
Everybody around there.
Alright. That is it, my people. Active Murphy. Alright. Yeah, man, you go subscribe to the channel, you know. Alright, when you comment, you have to say, Rasta is me.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, my love. Blessed. Yeah, man. That is
Big
it.
up here, bro, on it.
Good.
Yeah.
I go walk fast, man. You see me?
Love it, sweet,
Yes, man. I tell you the truth. You see that?
The way how people do there can know, feel the love.
Don't. That's what I say, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Knowledge, man.
Yes, people, I don't have no vlog here now, I do little chatting.
Alright, we you know, cause when you have vlog, me I chat, you know. So, that's how it go. Great Murphy, them my people and Canter.
I love to get one of them banana sucker here.
Whoa.
I use a sucker more like tobacco.
Thanks and tall. yo, Canter. I can't post this video, man. You call so something there way.
Come on, who's Papa again?
I hate my people. You see it? Ball ground this, you know. Yeah. See the damn them people. I drink a ginger beer without fear.
You see that?
You see me? Yeah, man, and I eat. Match up a one chips.
Banana chips.
Banana chips. Yeah, that is it. Locally and internationally.
Easy, no, man.
See that? Respect. Oh, you mean?
Don't like to have apple and cheese at Yanta.
I'm Murphy this man. Where am I dealing, Murphy? Yeah, man. Different parish, you know, brother. Yeah, man. See it, my people. Enough people know this place, you know. And I say, wait, Godfrey, the far, man. Yes, my people, me and Murphy outside. Full team, you know. Fully active. Yeah. See it there. Canter boss himself, my people. Oh, you mean? The camera specialist, you know? Yeah. Camera specialist. Yeah. Show my people, see it there. Ancestral ground. Yes. Check in. Yeah? Yeah. Nice, lovely occupant on the roadside. Don't me, Jenna? What you mean? Yeah, man. What you mean? Hello, ma'am. The place. May I come talk to you? Eh? Now put the camera up on you? Okay, my darling. What you want?
You see how them man are full of style, people. People, you see them man, them man are full of style, you know, them man know for these people, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm still no bother flagger, don't. Yeah, man, I just saw me stay, man. Just go give her $1 a day, because that Beryl Chin said. Yeah, so the great man, them, the people. Yes, my brother, it's literally a joy if you link up with colaz team. I tell you that, fam. Colaz
Never there, I would feel a way. I tell you that.
Me wouldn't feel no way.
Peeps,
Oh.
me say, you won't even know.
No way me wouldn't feel.
This man, I tell you, say, boy, I tell you, me not see me way can't make it, but I tell you, you know them way the people. God work it out over there, you know. And we have to go out here.
That is it.
We have to give thanks to Godfrey. You see me? Because them man I said to give half a day today, you know. Yeah, man. Grateful, you know. That is it, people. Grateful, you know. Never have the amount of word.
So Murphy them, my people. Murphy there.
How are you, sir?
I try to use some of my body a bit before me reach in the crowd.
Yeah, that's me I try.
Respect.
Let up all the whole of my body with the dragon and out and put in my pants. This man had a video. But I look, he said.
That me I try to tell us you have to know where you do your there on colaz TV, you know. Alright. Then I joking, I don't know, you know. Alright. You know, say my camera no lock off, brother. Adventure, my people, see it, we're outside. That is it.
Everything.
That is it.
One of them pan film, one of them pan film.
That is it. General. Respect. Hello. Yes, bless up over there. Yeah, man, I general, man. Respect. Eh? That's how we are wait for them. Alright, no problem. You know, so you look like one place where I used to come.
I see them come to that place already. Yeah, man, and the whole team there go and when they reach somewhere up there, so I can't see any.
Is a great house over there, Sir Murphy? Yeah. Eh?
Yeah, man.
Is a great house over there, Sir Murphy?
No, man, you know, it's a coffee factory.
One coffee factory.
Good history that.
Yeah. Whole coffee factory, my people. That is it.
Yeah, because
check in.
Them just have the way called just up on the hill, and you know, say,
Blue Mountain.
A lot of coffee.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. And the area overall too, you know. But yeah, so now, one look like one place in a Portland where I used to come sell bread. Like yes, I would at least me back up to Windsor Forest or Comfort Castle. But it maybe just looks so, you know?
Yeah, my bro.
Yeah, the road. Yeah, man.
Well, go on, farmer. Alright. Hold on there.
Yeah. With the sea and everything, don't? Yeah, man.
This man, yeah, man. You want to send me money and all, so I will never pick up that.
Oh.
But the money when I work for a week.
So you send it in a wife's name now?
You know, say my name.
Oh. You can pick it up anywhere. You can pick it up on any Western Union or Portland, yeah?
That's true, yes.
Yeah. How far? For sure? Okay. Respect. Well, tell Sax we have be around here for you. May I come around there still? Alright. See, I heard me if you be here in a bag the same way about quarter dozen. You see me? Give me a shrimps or a chicken, any one of them. Just want something warm for the system too. That is it, my people. Godfrey outside, you know. Stay tuned, check in, watch what go on. Crazy adventure, you know. Godfrey and Color Summit, you know, and the team, full team outside, my people. Yeah, man, loving the vibe so far already. Yeah, some of the ones them in the hills gone for the van to come back and come pick way up and things, some people. Yeah, it's a nice look, it's a good look. So we outside, we on Murphy right now, and Sax and Cantor. Yeah, the whole team outside, my people. That is it. You see me? Yes, my brother. Yes, my brother Murphy. Yes, man. Yeah, man. For real, Murphy, Dan. I love the vibes of the Anthony to Murphy. You see me? I not like Anthony to me. I respect Anthony vibes too as a vlogger brother, you know? Yeah, man. He's a conscious little youth, man. Conscious youth, man. Being honest. Yeah, man. Be a good content Anthony put out on them things, man. And I love. Yeah? You live? Yeah. So what I know? You gone, you know, did they? They make you check in with Anthony, no man, if I not, no man.
Yeah, man, we gonna go down.
Alright, hold on. Where go down there? Camera for two, man. Yeah, man. You see that, my people? Fully active outside. You see that? Charger live, honestly. See that, my babe? That is it. Yeah, you see that? Oh, you mean? Wow. Hey, that is it. Yeah. Greatness. Yeah, man. Fully active outside, my people. Fully active outside. You see that? Yeah, man. Color Summit and the team, you know. Yes, my peeps. That is it. DJ's wicked flag over there, so there. Yeah, man. Greatness. That is it. Gallus! Wait, Gallus! Wagwan Gallus! See the great Gallus, the people? You see that? Oh, you mean? Watch it. Why? May I tell you, watch it. youth, they're fully active, fully active, fully active, fully active. See that? See that? Yalis. Oh, you mean? Fully active people, fully active. Yeah, man. Look on the ride of my people in bare feet, you know, my people. Bare feet. You see that? Yes, my people, see the great man there and the team, my people. Fully active outside, you know. Yeah, man. Fully active, man. That is it. See the great man there, my people. Yeah, man. Respect, man. It's a greatness to link up the family. You see, my brother? Honestly, I years me I look for, you know. So, a greatness to link up, you know? Yeah, man. A true, man. Greatness, man. Greatness, you know? True. Soon check in, my people. I hills where I go, you know. So, stay tuned for the epic adventure, my people. That is it. Yeah, man. Greatness, you know? Yes, my peeps. That is it. Yeah. Take your time. Chano in rough. Whoa, in rough. Barefoot, you know. The man rough, the man bad. Believe, man, in rough, man. Brother, I say bare feet, him rough. None of them not rough like the little Jovi there. Yeah, see him there? None of them. Watch there. Front wheel, back wheel. Jeez. Yeah, man, a choke, man. Rough for choke, man. Rough little Jovi. You imagine when he master and craft properly. You see me? Yeah, man, the whole team outside, my people, fully active. See the camaraderie, the Canterbury himself. You see me? Yeah, man, colaz, you know? Everyone, man, respect, man. Respect the teacher, respect. Yeah, man. All right, General. Hills where I look. Good. Up there. Team. Yeah, man, all right. I found that all right. Respect. We're outside people. That is it. See the team of people fully active. Our hills where I head, you know. See that? Yeah. So, check in, stay tuned. Epic adventure, DJ Wicked Vlog, them people. Look at it. That is it. That is it, my people. Check in. Watch what I go on. Now, man, you can't hitch on, man. Feel no way if I up on the side. Take up, yeah. Okay. Yeah, man, just. We don't care something there. We don't care sit down here, sir. Don't put this, sir. Put it over there, sir. Yo! How? Now, man, see baby and everyone around here, so what you say? You think we can do? We love the family, you know. Greatness, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, I hear so I right, man. Not something. Eh? No, man. It's not a pack, man. That's so easy. Okay. That is it, my babe.